Suchitra Veera. I have written, directed, and produced feature film Ballad of Rustam. Well, definitely a very exciting moment for me and my team. That Ballad of Rustam is in the contention for Best Picture, the Oscars 2014. Yeah, quite an exciting moment. Right. Ballad of Rustam, well, it's a film about imagination, dreams, the passion for life. It's also about India and the Indian countryside, and characters like Rustam, who are very imaginative, and he's a young man living in a small remote township in India, and who probably doesn't have great aspirations, but who is a scientific guy, and he has a wandering life in the countryside. Has philosophical discussions with his friend Kapil, who works in the suburban trains, falls in love with a painter. Seemingly very ordinary people, but very extraordinary in their own ways. Yes, I've very deliberately structured this film in an unconventional way. It's non-linear, and it keeps digressing between Rustam's dreams and reality. It's about his life and the kind of people that he meets in this small town. Yes, technically I wanted Ballad of Rustam to be a very, very high standard film. Ballad of Rustam is shot on 35mm CinemaScope with live sound, and it was a very important artistic decision for me to shoot on 35mm. I've loved shooting on film, and I've worked on my earlier short films also on 35mm and 16mm film. It's also very organic, and it has a kind of richness which I think is very tough to achieve by digital. I wanted this kind of grandeur, a kind of an epic canvas where you can see Rustam traveling in the countryside, and one can have the whole magical feeling of the countryside through the vast landscape shots, which can be achieved only through CinemaScope. We shot the film for almost 4 months through mist and fog in the remote Indian countryside township of Coorg, Karnataka. And there were also a lot of natural sounds which I thought were important for this film, and sync sound was used, and we captured a lot of natural sounds from the locations. The soundtrack is quite rich. Bleach bypass is a process in which you retain the silver on the negative. So it kind of creates this black and white layer over the color emulsion, and it's almost like you're watching monochrome images, but they're color. So it gives a desaturated, high contrast image, and I was very keen on doing this for Ballad. Also because Ballad of Rustam has this kind of surreal atmosphere with Rustam's dream world, technology, and the nature shots and landscapes. So it was quite important to have a very different kind of look, and this was possible through bleach bypass. Right. Ballad of Rustam won the Best Director last year. It was at the 12th Ocean Cinefan Film Festival in New Delhi, and it had opened the Indian competition segment. Of course, it was a great moment for me. And this year, in November, I've been given a very special award called the Indibar Bose Award by one of the oldest film societies founded by the legendary filmmaker Mr. Satyajit Ray. And it was, of course, a very, very important achievement for me personally as a director, because it recognizes the cinematic excellence I've been striving for last couple of years on Ballad of Rustam, the Indibar Bose Award by Cine Central, Calcutta.